You know, with my Bessey H-style pipe clamps, I've always gone with the 1/2-inch version. I've heard people say, hey, you need to jump up to the 3/4-inch pipe clamps so that there's no flex in your pipe. And I suppose, yeah, if you went to maximum pressure with a 1/2-inch pipe clamp, that there could be some flex. But then I realized, you know, I'm never using these things in isolation. I've always got them in pairs, one on the top and one on the bottom. So the way I would usually set up a panel glue up is to lay out my boards on top of these H clamps, and that's nice because it really elevates the work up off your bench, and that lets you get a small general purpose clamp on the ends to keep things nice and flush before you apply the main pressure with your pipe clamps. And then add a couple clamps on the top side to balance out the force. I like to elevate the pipe slightly off the workpiece just to avoid any staining of the wood. And then take a second just to confirm that you're staying nice and flat with a straight edge. So it's just funny to me to think that these were the first clamps that I really got in any volume in the shop, and to this day, even with my massive collection of clamps, I still like these 1/2-inch pipe clamps best, specifically for doing panel glue up. So it's worth getting a few of these in your shop. As your projects grow and expand, you can add to your collection.